Hi guys, today I'm going to make another video about BBOX and the pattern that we are seeing these days, similar to ANW yesterday and DFBG a couple of days ago. So the stocks are moving pre-market based on the news they have. One bounce at the open, then build the support, test previous high, test the support again, and ramp back up. We saw that yesterday in ANW. Stock moved pre-market, one bounce, built the support, tested the previous high, bounced to the opening price, tested the support as you can see here, and ramped back up. Today we saw the similar pattern in BBOX. They had a news and stock started to go up, one bounce at the open, and started to build the support, tested the high of the day, comes back down. That was the point I alerted in the chat, and I told people this one should go up, and I took a position at 165 here, and with the risk of the 155, 10 cents risk, and the price target was above this. I said 190 would be ideal for me. That was my plan. I sold it here. I didn't take this high of the day to 25. I left a lot of money on the table, but that's okay for me because I have a plan. I stick to the plan. That's the reason I make money every day. So some people, they started to challenge my strategy. They ask, what's your indicator? You know guys, I don't know why people, they just want to confuse themselves with indicators. Indicators are coming out of this chart. Whatever you want to know is here in this chart. If you understand the basics, the how I say, the philosophy, the reasons behind these movements from the chart, by just looking at the chart itself, you don't need specific indicators. Indicators are not the reason that a stock goes up. The stock goes up because people like to buy it, and those who already have shares, they don't want to sell it. So how you understand these things, you have to understand what are the meanings of these big candles, the percentage of these red candles compared to the price movement. In DFBG, in ANW yesterday, I told people when I saw 1 million shares, 1 million shares came to the market and the stock moved just few cents. That was one of the things I said, okay, this stock has some big buyers. And the second time I saw the stock came back and I started to test this support level, and immediately when it touched that price, immediately it went back up. I took a position and I said, basically that's my my risk would be this support level, and if this breaks this midday high, it can test the high of the day. And not only it tested the high of the day, it went to from 140, I took 145, and I sold it somewhere here, but it went to 262, 263 the next day at the pre-market trading. So the thing I'm saying here is you don't need specific indicators to just rely on the indicators and say, yeah, I tested the 200-day moving average, now it has to go back up. No, the stock doesn't have to do anything. If you understand the chart, you understand the price action and the reasons that the stock is moving, and you just need to manage your risk and form your trading idea and just go from there. So that's it for today. I just want to tell you, if you want to join our chat room, it's 100% free. You can just go to dailystockmoney.com. I put a couple of our alerts and tweets from old days, and I would update this page based on our recent alerts. But you can just hit the join for free. Just ask you to just put your emails, which broker are you using, and just tell me here you want to join the chat room. That's it. I will send you the link and you can join our chat room for free. We are giving these alerts and answering people questions every day in our chat room, and I think this is the best deal you can find now, because the services we are offering and the reason we are helping people are that's just because I personally feel I have to give back to the community of traders. I made enough money for myself to have a good life. I think it's a great opportunity, and everybody can have access to this incredible opportunity to make money. So for now, I just decided to give these alerts for free and help people, because I have another business. I am making money from that business as well. The money is not my motivation. The only thing is I want to share my trading ideas, and maybe some other people can use it and improve their trading system and make money. So just join this chat room and tell your friends to join as well. We have great traders in the chat room. They are willing to help other people as well. You would see, you can join and ask other people in the chat what's their experience. So that was it for today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will try to post more videos and explain the trades, and maybe you can use these videos. That's it. Have a great day. See you everybody in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.